Ready?
Welcome back again to another video, and for this video I'll be showing you how to do stealth walk or quiet walk using Flydigi here in COD Mobile. So stealth walk or quiet walk is like this: stealth, quiet walk, quiet walk, quiet walk. To do stealth walk, open Flydigi app, edit, so the WASD button,
Airdrop incoming.
so open WASD button. So in switching radius, so as you can see here, it says here that after adding this key, hold the key to change the radius of the stick to 1/3 of the original, which is suitable for quiet walking in games such as PUBG or COD Mobile. So let's add button for switching radius. So for me, my stealth walk or quiet walk will be caps lock, confirm, save. So when you walk, press and hold the caps lock key in order for you to do stealth walk or quiet walk. So you can also do that while you are crouching, but you cannot see any animation for stealth walk. So you can only see the animation of stealth walk or quiet walk while you are walking, but if you crouch, you cannot see the animation of the stealth walk or the quiet walk. So you can only do stealth walk while you're pressing the W button or forward, W and D button for forward right, W and A button or forward left. So forward,
The safe zone is collapsing.
forward right, and forward left. So but you cannot use the quiet walk or the stealth walk while you're using auto run. And you can also use quiet walk or stealth walk in multiplayer. I'm pressing the W button and I press and hold the caps lock key, and as you can see, it will do quiet walk or stealth walk. Quiet walk, release. Quiet walk, release. But if you are crouching, you cannot see any animation of the stealth walk. You can only see animation of stealth walk while you are walking, like that one. Quiet walk, release. Quiet walk, release. Quiet walk, release. Quiet walk, release. So quiet walk, release. Quiet walk, release. So there you go. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials like this one and for more DIY tutorials. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.